Okay, here's a very short example of what we can do. I've got a clip of myself used as an example here, and I'm just to illustrate the point going to compare to Justin Thomas. So very quickly we can identify key bits of the swing that may be requiring a little bit of attention. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to take both players here to left arms roughly parallel to the ground, and then I'm going to just take both players to the top of the swing. So number one. And then you'll see myself here as I start to gain a little bit of height there, so probably down to a little bit of stiffness in my back and various other age-related ailments. I'm not able to just turn quite so effectively, so you'll see I've moved up slightly. The main difference here between Justin Thomas and myself, he's retained his height. He probably has a little bit more tilt the angle, and if we flip this from the other side we might see this angle the shoulders make with the ground is a little bit steeper. Mine starts to level out slightly from there, and then as we change direction because of that, and maybe the timing gets a little bit out and I get a little bit too far in front too quickly there. But it's relatively easy to trace these things when we can slow the film down and when we can look at it and we can draw lines to see where the improvement needs to happen, but we can also measure that improvement as well. So very quickly you can see the right hand side here, alternative view here, and again I've done something similar, sort of made a silhouette for myself here. You'll see okay to here, and then I start to rise up slightly. The shoulders won't go, the torso won't behave itself, and as a result weight maybe just gets back on my heels just ever so slightly, and the result of that on the way down is the golf club gets just a little bit too the club head gets a little bit inside my hands, and you'll see here relative to the blue line, which is pretty much the club's position at impact, it moves from inside to outside, and that would be my classic shot. Generally a soft draw, but occasionally it would turn into too much of the ball turning far too far to the left too quickly. So, what would I really be trying to do from here? Probably the feeling of looking at here would be the left shoulder squeezing down towards the ball a little bit more so that I maintain, I would try and maintain the forward bend that I have got rather than just coming up very, very slightly there. And that would certainly be one of the things that I would use as a swing thought, would be that I'm trying to put my left shoulder down towards the ball at the top of the backswing. So hopefully this shows you what's possible. Easily done, couple of clips of film emailed over, easy for me to import them into this, and I can send you back some real meaningful feedback. So please let me know what you think, and I hope to hear from you soon.